Hi guys, my name is Bart Kamsky and I'd like to present you devlog of my new game Arcade Shop Simulator, and I'm gonna show you a few updates I made, but the most important update I made is the Steam page that is already there, so you can add this game to wishlist. And let me show you what new I have. So this is the game where you manage your arcade shop. You can sell machines, for example this one, and you can go to the shop and buy a new one. Let's get for example base fifth graders, and here it is. We can unpack it, and I add the sounds of unpacking, and then I need to move. I can put it here, but I can't because this is too small. But if I move this a bit and this a bit, I should be able to fit it. Yes, I can. What else I can do? I can fix those games because there is its condition. This one is high, but this one are pretty low. So I can fix it. I also add some sounds and some effects. This is probably a bit too intense. I need to still work on it. But there is also sounds, and there's visual and audio representation of what you're doing, which is fixing. And you can open the gate to let kids in. Kids are noisy, they are playing good games, and they are unfortunately littering, so you need to clean up. But there is a easier way to do it. You can buy a trash can, so they litter less. But if they do, you can buy a vacuum cleaner, and since you have it, you can use it. And there's one more trash somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I can't find it. Huh. I guess I need to live with the trash. Maybe it's somewhere there. Okay, never mind. So now I need to collect my money, and I add effects to collecting money. There are some particles, and there is also sounds for collecting money. Oh, here is the trash. Yeah, it got stuck. Okay, so now the trash is 0. Okay. Let me collect money from this, and this. But there is one more thing I can buy, which is a wireless money collector. So if I sell it to make room for it, I can buy this one, which is wireless collector. And I need to unpack it here. And if I put it here, all the games that are around it, maybe even that. Oh yeah, I managed to connect 4 games. Are connected to this, games connected 4, and when I let kids in, all the money that these games are gathering, which is 26, it is 3, there is 7, which is 10, there is 7, and 9, which is 26. I can just collect here, and I don't need to collect it separately from here. I don't have effects for collecting money from the wireless collector yet, but I'm gonna work on it, maybe even today. What else? I can upgrade. There are some. There is a new. I can buy this, and when I put it here, I have a new nice layer, nice carpet. I love the new design. What else? I can also expand. So if I buy another room, I can have more room for more games. And this game is no longer connected because this is too far from the wireless controller. I am cheating a bit because I have 9,000 bucks, but you need to earn this money with a hard work in order to progress in this game. There's also statistics where you can check your earnings, your demands by days, your condition, and total with all games, but also with the individual games. Yeah. And one more thing, that you can fix the games with this. And I add some particles and effects. Thanks for the visual effects to Luos. Maybe this is a bit too intense. I still need to work on it. But yeah, I'm working on the demo. The demo should be ready within a week, maybe a month. But most importantly, please go to the Steam page. The link is in the description. And if you like my game, if you want to support my work as an indie developer, please add it to the wish list. It will help me immensely. And you can follow progress of this game on the Discord channel dedicated to Arcade Shop Simulator. And I hope I see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.